Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare masala milk mix. Ingredients for masala milk mix: 1 by 2 cup of badam, 1 by 3 cup of pista and 1 by 4 cup of cashew nut, 1 cup of sugar, little saffron, little cardamom and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Boil the water. Take the bowl and put the badam. We are going to add the boiling water with this one to remove the skin of badam. That's why we are boiling the water. After that we will remove from the water. The water is boiling. So we are going to add the boiling water with this one. Have to leave this one in boiling water for 5 minutes. Now we are going to remove the skin. That's why we are going to drain the water completely. See, for this one only we put in hot water to remove the skin. So we are removing the skin, see. So we have to do for all the badam. We remove the skin. Then we are going to dry this one with tissue. The water should be removed completely from this. We have dried the badam with tissue. So we are going to dry roast this one. Keep the pan in flame. So we are going to remove this one from flame. Next, dry roast the cashew and pista. I can feel the nice aroma of badam. So switch off the flame. Let's dry roasted this one as well. So let it to cool. All the things we have dry roasted. To dry roast the black pepper and cardamom. So both got roasted. We are going to remove this one from flame. So everything roasted now. Ingredients get cooled. We are going to grind in the blender all the dry roasted ingredients: badam, pista, cashew nut, black pepper and cardamom. We removed skin of the cardamom. So we have taken only the seeds of cardamom and black pepper, sugar, turmeric powder, saffron, so we have grinded already. So you have to grind the ingredients as shown. See, while grinding in the blender using the switch, so you have to give the pulse and you have to off then pulse. So the masala milk mix is ready. You can store this one in the airtight container. So we will show you how to prepare the masala milk now. Keep the milk pan. Add 1 cup of milk. Switch on the flame. Now we are going to add the masala milk mix with this one. It started boiling. We are going to switch off the flame. Masala milk is ready. This is the way how to prepare the masala milk using our masala milk powder. It's very healthy and very tasty. Masala milk mix from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.